friends, welcome back to the Brew Glitter Variety Show. I'm Kim Kral, I'm your host. Thank you for joining us again. Before we get into this week's episode, can you do me a little favor? Can you follow us, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Even troll me if you want to, just any kind of love you want to throw my way, I would love it. This week, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We've got super mom Steph in the house, and she's gonna talk to us about the product that she uses to make family time a little bit more sparkly and fun. So if you're a parent, stick around, you're not gonna wanna miss this. We've got super mom Steph in the house today. Hi, Steph. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good. I'm excited to hear about this product. First, before we get started, tell me a little bit about yourself. Tell me about your family. How many kids do you have?
I have two. I have a 9-year-old girl and a 6-year-old boy.
Oh, wow. Okay. Do you have a favorite?
No, both of them.
Do you have a favorite? Wink. Everybody has a favorite, I feel like, right?
No, absolutely not.
We won't make it just in case you're both the favorite.
Yes.
So it's 9-year-old girl and a 6-year-old boy.
Mm-hmm.
What is a day in the life for you and your family?
For us, it's just get up, get ready, go to school. I go to work, I pick them up, come home, make dinner, and get ready for bed and do it all over again tomorrow.
Whew. Moms are superheroes, dude. I can't, that is amazing. Okay, so what are some of the challenges that you face being a mom and being so busy, also trying to keep quality time?
Because we're always on the go, and really the only time we get together during the school year is dinner time. Bringing them in and having them help me cook or make things together is one of our favorite ways to spend time together.
Oh, I love that. Any challenges? Anything that, you're a busy mom on the go, so probably scheduling and pickups.
Yeah, patience is a big one for me. But for the most part, you just kind of have to go with the flow.
Wine too?
Yeah.
Wine probably helps?
Yeah.
Wine, tequila? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so go with the flow. All right, so we got kind of a background of your family, and we're here to talk about a product that you use frequently called Tinker Dust. Now, what is Tinker Dust? Tell us.
Tinker Dust is an edible glitter that is made specifically for food. You can put it literally on anything.
It's edible?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
The kids love it.
That is the secret to getting your kids to eat fruits and vegetables?
Yes. It makes everything magical.
Okay.
I tell them that it's like unicorn powder, and they just literally eat it up.
All right, let's look at it.
Do you want me to show it to you?
Yes, please.
So this is Tinker Dust. Super sparkly. It's really fun. The cap just pops open, so they can do it
themselves.
Tap, 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 and
ooh, look at that. That is unicorn dust.
yeah.
Do you put it on your own food too? Even when they're not around, be honest.
Of course. On ice cream?
Yeah.
It's not fruits and vegetables, but
I think I would put it on everything. Sushi, chicken.
yeah.
Sparkly. Look how sparkly that is. All right. How else does it help with family fun time? How has Tinker Dust brought the family closer? Made it a lot, made dinner time fun, family?
Making dinner together is just a natural thing that we do together, but to keep them smiling and laughing, adding glitter to any food just makes them happy. So,
it makes me happy too. All right, what are some of the recipes? What's outside the box recipes that you've tried with Tinker Dust?
Well, my daughter loves it in her smoothies. She tends to make herself a strawberry banana smoothie every so often, so putting some Tinker Dust in there. My son and I love to, on the weekends, make popsicles together, and we sprinkle some of that in there. And once you take those popsicles out of the freezer, it is so much fun.
So it's like a sparkly popsicle.
Yeah.
And your daughter, I'm sorry, real quick, we can't brush over that. Your daughter makes herself smoothie, like a protein smoothie every now and then? 9?
Yeah.
Whew. She makes it, they grow up very fast.
Yeah.
Now, so they make it glittery. What other recipes have you been I don't know if we should put glitter on that, but they were put glitter on it. Roast.
Literally everything. Mashed potatoes.
What color do you use for the mashed potatoes?
Whatever makes them happy.
Have you done a rainbow? You've done multi? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I want to come over to your house to cook dinner.
You're more than welcome to come anytime you want.
I'm coming. We're going to do this. So let's put some tinker dust on some real food and try it. Can we do that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. All right, let's put some of this tinker dust on some strawberries and give it a test.
Yeah, sure.
So what's your daughter's favorite color? The pink. Dot.
100% pink.
All right, let's little dab. Oh, can you see that? Look at all that glitter. Oh my gosh. Cheers.
And it's great because it doesn't taste like anything.
No.
It doesn't change the flavor of the food. It's completely edible and it's safe for your kids, which as a mom is something that's really important to me.
Yeah, you don't want to put a bunch of chemicals. Like there's enough chemicals in things nowadays, and you want to make it fun, but also still healthy for them.
Yeah.
So there's no additives. There's nothing that's unhealthy for them.
No.
And you're right. You can't taste it at all.
At all.
Sure. There we go. To be a little cheesy, how has tinker dust changed your world with your kids as super mom?
It's just made the boring parts of like everyday life that much more fun. It brings them joy. It makes my life easier when they're happy, and it's a safe product to use.
I love it. Oh, do you want another strawberry?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So not just strawberries that we can put it on, right? What else can we put this glitter on? This
Literally
tinker
anything.
dust.
Anything. You can put it, anything. You could put it on carrots and cucumbers, ice cream. You could put it on brownies, peppers. The kids really love to mix it in with their ranch when they dip their
glittery ranch. Yes, with their nuggets.
Mhm.
Yes,
They love it. Yeah.
Oh, I love that. Mashed potatoes you mentioned earlier. Let's make a rainbow mashed potato is what I picture.
Rainbow chicken nuggets.
Do you cook with the tinker dust, or do you? It's an after everything's all
You can cook with it.
Okay.
It cooks just fine, but we tend to add it afterwards.
afterwards. It
Mhm.
comes out of the oven and everyone's like, "Woo!"
Yeah, glitter
Sneaky.
everywhere.
Glitter everywhere. So every night's a glitter party.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that. Or a tinker party.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Steph, for joining us. Super Mom Steph. We all know that parents are superheroes. So thank you so much for joining us today. And if we want tinker dust to elevate our family fun time, you can get it at brewglitter.com.